So friends, this is our 19th question from this set IOQ paper. Here in the question it is saying a particle is executing SHM simple harmonic motion of time period t equals to 4 pi square in a straight line starting from rest. This is a key point, starting from rest. Then it travels a distance a in first second and distance b in the next second, that is in second second. I will prefer next second. Traveling in the same direction, the amplitude of SHM is to be found for the answer. Now this is also a key point, that initial velocity is 0. From this what we can infer is that the SHM is not starting from the mean position itself. Mean position is this, but it is not starting because at mean position the velocity of that particle can never be 0, as we know in the theory part we had studied. Here in the extreme position, we know that as the particle is going here and then returning, for a short moment here the velocity of the object is 0. Therefore, the SHM of that object is starting from this extreme, where this length is a. So we can write the equation of SHM, simplest equation, cos omega t. Now you can put t equals to 0, then cos 0 1, y equals to a. Therefore, we can say that this may be the equation for the SHM. Now it is saying that travels a in first second. Therefore, this is a displacement from mean position as we had studied in the SHM chapter. Therefore, this length is a minus a and this is a minus a plus b. So, a minus a equals to a times cos omega. This is equation 1, and a minus a plus b equals to a cos. Now this is the displacement in the second, therefore time we need to put t equals to 2, therefore cos 2 omega. There is nothing difficult in this writing part. Now just we have to eliminate omega from here. We are not going to use this t equals to 4 pi square because we are not required, just we have to eliminate because we have two equations and we have to eliminate one variable, and it is of course easy. From here cos omega equals to a minus a by a, and here a minus a plus b equals to a 2 cos square omega minus 1. Now we'll put cos omega in that equation. A minus a plus b. I am taking this a in the left hand side. 2. Now I am putting the value of cos omega. A minus a by a square minus 1. So now we will simplify this. I am erasing the upper part. This equation was not required, that's why I erased. 1 minus a plus b by a equals to 2 times a minus a square by a square minus 1. This minus 1 will come here and add this one to become 2. So I am adding this in this step itself. Now we will multiply with a square. 2a square minus a times a plus b equals to 2a square plus minus 4aa. This will get cancelled out. Minus 4aa will come this side and it will become 3aa minus ab equals to 2a square. Now amplitude of the SHM is 2a square 3a minus b. Just a little bit calculation was involved and we have obtained the amplitude. So this is our required answer.